Your handler is async. You load the member and reach for bind, and it doesn't compile. A task of result is not a result. So how do you keep the railway when everything is asynchronous? Let me show you. Load member async returns a task of result of member. The natural move is to chain bind, but bind is a sync verb. It extends result, not task of result. So the compiler stops you with CS 1929. Task of result has no bind. That's the foot gun. The await is hiding inside the task, and your value object is one layer down. The fix that keeps you fluent, the async verbs. BindAsync, MapAsync, EnsureAsync. They extend task of result directly. So you await once at the front and chain the whole railway. Ensure the member is active. Bind to assign the task. Map to a response. Any failure still short-circuits the rest. One await, one clean pipeline. Prefer plain await? Do that. Await the load into a concrete result of member. Now it's a result again, so the ordinary sync verbs work. Ensure, bind, map, exactly like the last few episodes. Same railway, same short circuit. Two styles, your call. Stay fluent with the async verbs, or await, then chain. So here's the rule. The sync verbs, bind, map, ensure, extend result with sync lambdas. The async siblings also extend task of result and ValueTask of Result. That's the whole trick. A task of result is not a result, so either await it into one first, or reach for the async verb that understands the task. And you don't have to memorize it. The compiler tells you. CS 1929 points right at the line. Either way, failure short circuit and you await once. Async is where result pipelines usually break. The await hides inside the task, and the sync verb won't bind. Trellis lets the type system do the work. A task of result simply is not a result, and the compiler points you to the async verb. Whether you or your AI assistant writes it, the railway stays intact. Next episode, running work in parallel and when not to. Subscribe.